Gaming here, and I'll be right back. 2, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so today is a very special day because my dad got me an Easter present. He sent it to me in the mail. Well, he got me an Easter present. I haven't opened it yet because I wasn't at his house during Easter. So, got my knife. I'm gonna back up this tripod. Okay, so here it is. It's an Amazon box. You know, nothing really special. So first we're gonna cut. Whoops. Like that. And then we're gonna. It's really light, guys. I have no idea what it is. So just cutting each side. Alright, so I'm gonna back it up now. Alright, so let's unbox this one. I don't know what it is. You guys tell me. No way. No way. It's a Supreme shirt. That's so sick. Even has the bag. That's sick. Actually, no. Let me try it on. Ooh, baby. This is a sick shirt. Yo. I'm a hype beast now, boy. I'm gonna walk around all the town like this. Be like, flex on them haters. Wearing my NMDs. Once they come. And with my Jordan backpack, I'm just gonna be like, flexing on them haters. So yeah, guys, this is my Easter present, a nice box logo Supreme shirt. Oh my god. Guys, YouTube is actually back. I'm pretty sure, from videos I've heard, they took out comments, which is dumb. So, that's my Supreme shirt unboxing. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah. So, I want you guys to check out the new links. Yeah. So, I want you guys to. Actually, you can't comment anymore. Subscribe, post notifications, like this video. I love you all. See ya.